Hi, this is Lisa, and if you're wondering what to do with all those leftovers from Thanksgiving, this is the recipe for you. We're going to be making turkey egg rolls, or as I like to call them, turkey pockets. So you're going to take your leftovers, you're going to have some cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and turkey. And of course, you're going to be using an egg roll wrapper. You're going to take the egg roll wrapper and turn it on its side so it looks like a diamond, like that. And you're just going to take some cranberry sauce. It can be jellied or the whole. And you're just going to put some across just like that. Next, you're going to take the mashed potatoes. Put some mashed potatoes right on there. Just like that. And then you're going to take stuffing. Put that right across. Whoops. Try to get it on top. It should stick into the mashed potatoes. Just like that. And then last but not least, you're going to take some turkey and sprinkle that across the top. And hopefully it'll stay in. If not, you just tuck everything together. It's not really a big deal. Just like that. And you're going to take the point, fold it over, try to tuck everything in, take some water, wet the sides, and you're going to fold that in and fold that in. Take that little bit out of there. Once again, moisten this because you want everything to stick so it doesn't ooze. And you're just going to roll just like that. And that creates a beautiful little turkey egg roll or a turkey pocket. And now we're going to take these beautiful turkey egg rolls and we're going to cook them in the Ninja Foodi. So what we're going to do is turn the on button on. You're going to hit air crisp. It's automatically going to say 390 and the time is automatically set for 20 minutes, but we're going to lower it down to 5 minutes to preheat, and then you're just going to hit start. Let that preheat for 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, we have about 1 minute and 25 seconds left on the preheat. You're going to pick this noise up in the background. I apologize for that. But what we're going to do is take some oil. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, and you're going to brush the turkey egg rolls. You're going to make sure you brush on all sides. There we go, just like that. Okay, it's done preheating. It automatically turned off. All these turkey egg rolls are oiled. You're gonna, because this might be hot in here, you're gonna take tongs and place the turkey roll-ups right into the basket. Oop, I just put a hole in that one. Whoopsies. Just like this. You get them in here quickly. There we go. You're gonna close the lid. That's shut off. You're gonna turn it on. Go to air crisp, 390. And then the timer is automatically set for 20 minutes. You're going to drop this down to 15 minutes and hit start. And then I'll show you what these guys look like in 15 minutes. This place smells great. It smells like Thanksgiving all over again. We're going to open the top. We're going to take tongs because this is very hot. And we're going to pull these out. Beautiful. Look at that. So I'm going to put this one back in because I want to cut into one of these. So we're just gonna, look, there's the bottoms. Ouch. Very hot, very hot. So we're just gonna cut it in half to see what it looks like. And there we have the turkey egg roll or the turkey hot pocket. I'd like to try this, but I think it's too hot. Looks delicious. Let's try this. Not sure if you heard the crunch. But, wow, too hot to eat right now. Oh boy, but they are delicious. You can take your leftover gravy from yesterday, or you can make a cranberry dipping sauce to dip these in. But I would give it probably like 5 minutes to cool down, but they are terrific. So thank you so much for watching the video, and definitely make these. All right, take care.